Do you know what creature this heart comes from? Here's a hint. It's a sea creature. A whale? A dolphin? A seal? A sea lion? All of these are used as food in Japan. Whale meat is commonly seen in supermarkets, and even dolphin meat is occasionally sold at the supermarket closest to where I live. Seal and sea lion meat are eaten in some parts of Hokkaido. Canned seal meat is available, and sea lion meat, aside from being canned, is apparently served at some restaurants in Tokyo on rare occasions. Now, as for this heart, the correct answer is the Moukazame, salmon shark. The Moukazame, salmon shark, inhabits subarctic waters and is a top predator in its marine ecosystem, preying on salmon and herring. Because of this, it is avoided by fishermen targeting salmon and herring. However, since it yields shark fin, a luxury ingredient in Chinese cuisine, some fishermen actively pursue it, and Kesennuma has the highest Moukazame catch volume in all of Japan. It is about 3 meters long. Due to its habitat in subarctic waters, it doesn't pose a threat to beachgoers, but it is still considered a shark capable of preying on humans. Shark heart is not commonly eaten across Japan, but rather is a regional dish in Miyagi Prefecture. Locally, the heart of the Moukazame is called Mouka no Hoshi, star of Moukazame. I've heard it's actually quite delicious. This time I'll be enjoying the heart sashimi style without cooking it, following the traditional Kesennuma method. First, the preparation. At Takahashi's home as usual. Chop green onions. He needs to buy a new kitchen board. I don't know why he is chopping this much. All we need is a pinch. Pour water into a bowl and add a small amount of sake and salt. Add sake. Add salt. Once the heart is placed in the bowl, gently massage it to squeeze out the blood, but don't overdo it, as that would ruin the flavor. About 30 seconds should be enough. Enough? What's important from here is to remove any moisture using something like a kitchen napkin. If you skip this step, blood will pool on the plate when you serve it. The pooled blood doesn't have a metallic taste or anything, but it doesn't look very appealing, so if presentation matters to you, make sure to dry it thoroughly. Next, slice it into your preferred size. Add a bit of chopped green onion. If you have sesame seeds, this is where you'd want to sprinkle some, but there's nothing that fancy in the Takahashi household. Mix a bit of salt into sesame oil and your dipping sauce is ready. start with the artery. It's actually quite delicious. Judging by the appearance, I expected it to taste strongly of blood, but there's no metallic, fishy, or unpleasant odor. However, it is pretty chewy, so it's hard to tell exactly when to swallow. Now here's the heart itself. Yeah. The flavor is different, but the texture is similar to raw beef liver. This is genuinely delicious. It's the kind of thing you find yourself craving every now and then. It's easy to prepare and tastes great, so I recommend it to anyone who enjoys unusual types of sashimi. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I'll continue introducing lesser-known dishes from Japan, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Japan B is a channel that randomly shares lesser-known information about Japan.
Although not to the extent of other East Asian countries, it is not widely known that in certain regions of Japan, there exists a food culture that is unfamiliar to those from other parts of the world. Our staff regularly try such dishes, rare for us foreigners to Japan, in order to learn more deeply about Japanese culture through its cuisine. If you're interested in Japanese food culture, please consider subscribing.